Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Sheets, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you share a Google Sheet? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to share a Google Sheet anyways though? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you run an online business and you need to share data sets between your different contractors and employees. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Google Sheets app. It's this green and white one here on the bottom. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Sheets now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Google Sheets. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to share a Google Sheet, first you need to find the document so you can easily just scroll through the documents. If you have a lot, you can use the search feature up here at the top. Just click on the search and then just type in the name of the document that you want to share with Google Sheets. Once you found the Google Sheet that you would like to share, what you're going to do is just click on these three little dots next to it here on the right. Okay guys, so this is actually really important. Before you copy the link right here, the strange thing about Google is you have to give access, determine who's going to have access. Otherwise it's going to be a locked document. They're not going to get access to it. So first what you want to do is click on the share button here. It looks like a little person with a plus sign. Okay, so there's two different ways that you can share a Google Sheet. One is you can add the person into your Google Sheet, and that way they can edit and have access to it. Also, if they are not added in, they're not going to get access. The other option is you can make it a public link. So that way anybody that has access to the link that you're going to create will be able to see your Google Sheet. That's normally what I do. So what I'm going to do right here is first I'm going to click on these three dots here on the top right. Once you do that, then you're going to see two options, and you want to click on this line that says manage access. Once you do that, you can see that this Google Sheet is restricted. So only people added can open with the link. So we're going to go ahead and change that by clicking on this line. All right, it's kind of redundant, but it lets you know it's restricted. So you need to click on restricted once again. Okay, so here's where you can go ahead and free up the link that you're going to create with your Google Sheets. So you want to click on anyone with the link, and it's going to process. Okay, now you can see it's updated. Anyone with the link can now view this document as long as they have been provided the link. And then in order to get that link, you just click on this link button here on the top right. All right, now the link is copied to my clipboard, so I can easily text message that or paste it into an email or however you normally share your links. And then let me go back one more screen. Okay, so here is the section that you can go ahead and give access to someone. If you don't want to make the link public like what we just did, all you're going to do is click right here and add people. And then you're going to go ahead and put in their Gmail address. Once you type that in, they will receive an email through Gmail that they have been granted access into that Google Sheet. Now, if you don't make the link public or you don't add somebody in directly here to share the document, no one's going to be able to use that link. So even if you copy the link, it's just not going to work for them. So let me close this down. Okay, so now the link is public. What you want to do is go ahead and just click on the three dots once again, and you can go ahead and click on copy link. Okay, now the link is copied to your clipboard, and once again, you can go ahead and send it in a text message or however you normally share your links. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to share a folder with your Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.